Well, this is the day after the snowstorm. We plowed a lot of snow. It's 11:03 right now. This is a big improvement from what it was earlier. Right here you can see about the height. It's my brother moving his truck around. Somewhere down there is my dad. Bolo, move out of the way. Apparently my brother is moving his truck. Maybe on his way out of here, I'm not sure. Alright. Yeah, it looks like he wants to get up, but my dad's in the way with the snowblower, so that's what's going on. Dogs spend a lot of time outside. And well, this is the way it's been. This is the way it's been.